Hey guys, in this video I want to walk through a certain scenario with you that I came across. I've come across this scenario a few times before. You guys have probably have also, but I just kind of wanted to get it documented on how to fix it. I created this VM. I gave it a small drive size. I think I gave it about 30 gigs. It has like completely consumed up that 30 gigs. Since it's on Hyper-V here, I went ahead and was able to expand out the drive size to it. I went from 30 to 60, and then I logged back in, and I can see my extra 30 gigs here. However, it's not letting me extend it. I can only create another simple volume, which I don't want to do. It's not letting me extend it because I have a recovery partition in between my C drive and my unallocated space. The way to get around this is if you open up PowerShell or Terminal, as now it's called. You can run a series of commands here to help you isolate and remove that recovery partition. So first you want to go into diskpart and you want to list your disk. Yeah, I only have one disk here, disk 0. It's supposed to be 60 gigs. There's supposed to be 31 gigs free, but apparently I can't actually utilize that just yet. So then you want to do select disk 0, and here you'll list the partitions. If you have other disks that are showing up here, make sure you select the right one, because you want to make sure you are targeting the right one in order to get it removed. And I mean, you're only going to have a disk, a single disk that's going to be your Windows partition, unless you're like running some kind of like multi-boot setup. And that's typically going to be disk 0. But I digress. So now we can see in the partitions here, we've got 4 different partitions. And there's that recovery partition that we want to go ahead and see about removing. So I'm going to type in delete. Actually, I need to select the right partition. Select the right partition, which is going to be select partition 4. And now you're going to type in delete partition override. Great. So now if you exit and then go back to this part, list disk, and select disk 0 and list partition, you'll see now partition 4 is gone. You only have your system, your reserved, and your primary, which means hypothetically, if I were to rescan this, I don't even need a rescan, but you could refresh or rescan, and now you'll see you'll have your that recovery partition is gone. So now if you right click on your C, and now you can go ahead and click extend, and by extending you can go ahead and utilize your full remaining space that you added. So now you're back to being a little bit more whole than you were before. Just wanted to share that video with you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in another one. Take care. Bye.